I'll show you how to batch create lower thirds. Let's say you need 10 of those. You'll have this batch icon here, and you can paste your client's email or chat, unstructured data, any format, and you can do it with times or without times. If you do it without times like this, it'll create a separate composition for each of the names. All of the lower thirds are named with the person and profession, and they are also opened for you to review. They are already placed in the left bottom corner, and the duration is 7 seconds and includes out animation. Let's say you want it on the same video, and your client sent you timestamps for each of the persons, which might look like this. AI will detect the format. And we will place those in same composition with the times you provided. If you do a lot of lower thirds, this would be a lifesaver. You can do 50, 100 or more at a time. You can always, instead of import, select edit and click need more than one. It will take you to the same window. You can also enter manually if you'd like, one by one, or you can just drag and drop a file, like a CSV or a TXT file, and it will parse that one,